We also have an update tonight on the lawsuit filed against Riverside County Animal Services. There is new information, and attorney Dan Bolton joins us. Dan, welcome back. It's been a while.
It has. Good to be here.
All right. So where are we now?
Wow. Okay. Let me do a little summary of where things are. We have gotten a ruling a while back, as you know, from the judge in the case, and she allowed us to proceed with the bulk of our Hayden Act claims. As you know, from day one, Riverside County was saying Hayden Act not applicable, not enforceable, isn't real, is just legalese. Not true. It's actually a breathable act. And the court said we can proceed with our claims on emergency medical care. We can proceed with our claims on record keeping by the county. So that's what we're doing. Now, the court gave us leave to amend to add or to give further explanation on our taxpayer waste of funds, public funds claim, and
right.
That's what we did in this amended pleading. As we know, Riverside County Animal Services went down the hill for roughly 2.5 years, became the highest kill rate in reportable shelters in the United States. Not something to be proud of. Then they hire this Kristen Hassan, this fringe consultant. They give her a $2.5 million boondoggle deal. You know, we talk a lot about the Hayden Act, and it seems kind of theoretical, and what does it really mean? Let me give you an example. So just recently, in fact, earlier this month, an adopter took out two dogs, a German Shepherd and a Husky from CVAC here in Coachella Valley, took them home. The dogs appeared to be ill. Wasn't sure what was going on, but they seemed to have some serious illness. Takes them back to the shelter, thinking reasonably that maybe they can provide some medical care. They do a test on the German Shepherd. It comes back that dog has parvo. And then they tell this guy, you can either take the dogs back and deal with it yourself, or we'll take them, but we're going to kill them. And the individual did not have the money to take care of two dogs with the parvovirus. And so, unfortunately, he surrendered them. What did they do? They immediately killed the German Shepherd. The Husky, was then thrown back with the kennel mates he had before he was adopted. And those 3 dogs then, of course, became all parvo ill, and they all died. And so this is a real example of what happens when you don't follow the Hayden Act. You have animals that didn't get basic medical treatment that they were entitled to, and that they deserved, and as a result, the animals died. That's not only a violation of the Hayden Act, it's just simply immoral, and it's got to stop.
And this happened under the new director's watch, Mary Martin.
This is under the new director's watch, and we're hearing that there's been an uptick in animals labeled as quote-unquote behavioral and then put to death. It's their way of reducing numbers, which is, as you know, this is the Hassan approach. You keep the numbers down, then you look really good. But what that means is that animals are being killed because you're not doing your job. You're not making an effort to find homes for adoptable animals.
All right, so when do we go back to court?
So they have 30 days to respond. I imagine they will, again, challenge the complaint. Listen, we have 20 pages of information in this amended pleading about why they are wasting public funds, hiring somebody who is duplicating the work of the director, somebody who had no qualifications to begin with, and the money they're spending on nepotistic employees. So I'm optimistic and hopeful and feel strongly that the court will agree with us and that we'll be able to proceed further with the case.
All right. Thanks for the update and thanks for coming in.
My pleasure. Thank you, Fred.